How do you feel yourself?
How do you feel yourself?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
Have you been tested for coronavirus?
Have you been tested for coronavirus?
I have a temperature.
I have a temperature.
What should you recommend?
What should you recommend?
Have you been vaccinated?
Have you been vaccinated?
What symptoms do you have?
What symptoms do you have?
I have a fever and a strong cough.
I have a fever and a strong cough.
Put on your mask on your face, please.
Put on your mask on your face, please.
Received a full course of vaccination.
Received a full course of vaccination.
Do you have private medical insurance?
Do you have private medical insurance?
What do you complain of?
What do you complain of?
I would like to make an appointment with a doctor, please.
I would like to make an appointment with a doctor, please.
When will the doctor be free?
When will the doctor be free?
Which day and what time is good for you?
Which day and what time is good for you?
Do you need urgent care?
Do you need urgent care?
What seems to be the problem?
What seems to be the problem?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
It hurts here.
It hurts here.
When did you notice the symptoms?
When did you notice the symptoms?
When did the symptoms start?
When did the symptoms start?
How long did the symptoms last?
How long did the symptoms last?
Did you take any medicine?
Did you take any medicine?
Have you got any other symptoms?
Have you got any other symptoms?
Have you taken your temperature?
Have you taken your temperature?
Your temperature is normal.
Your temperature is normal.
Open your mouth, please.
Open your mouth, please.
Take a deep breath, please.
Take a deep breath, please.
Don't breathe.
Don't breathe.
You need to have a blood test.
You need to have a blood test.
Okay, what are your recommendations?
Okay, what are your recommendations?
Could you prescribe something?
Could you prescribe something?
I'm going to give you an injection.
I'm going to give you an injection.
I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics.
I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics.
We'll need to run some tests.
We'll need to run some tests.
You shouldn't worry.
You shouldn't worry.
There's no serious problem.
There's no serious problem.
Hello, what can I do for you today?
Hello, what can I do for you today?
Hi doctor, I have pain in the area of my head.
Hi doctor, I have pain in the area of my head.
Oh, and how long do they last?
Oh, and how long do they last?
Do you have any other symptoms?
Do you have any other symptoms?
In addition to that, I have sensitivity to light.
In addition to that, I have sensitivity to light.
I can tell that you are having migraines.
I can tell that you are having migraines.
I'm gonna prescribe you some painkillers.
I'm gonna prescribe you some painkillers.
I haven't been feeling well lately.
I haven't been feeling well lately.
Do you need urgent care?
Do you need urgent care?
How long have you been experiencing this?
How long have you been experiencing this?
You have food poisoning.
You have food poisoning.
It is not very serious.
It is not very serious.
You should start feeling better tomorrow.
You should start feeling better tomorrow.
Make sure to drink plenty of water.
Make sure to drink plenty of water.
I feel very ill.
I feel very ill.
I'm coughing and sneezing.
I'm coughing and sneezing.
Let me know if you have any other symptoms.
Let me know if you have any other symptoms.
Wow, your temperature is really high.
Wow, your temperature is really high.
I hope you start feeling better.
I hope you start feeling better.